In this video, you'll learn how to add a video to your eBay listing. This process will enhance your product presentation and potentially increase buyer engagement. First, navigate to the eBay Seller Hub by opening your web browser and entering the eBay website. Once you are on the home page, locate the My eBay drop-down menu at the top right corner. Click on it and select selling from the options presented. This action will direct you to the Seller Hub. Within the Seller Hub, find the section labeled Active Listings, which displays all your current listings until you locate the one you wish to edit. Once you find it, click on the Edit Listing button associated with that particular item. This will take you to the listing editor where you can make changes. Next, scroll down to the media section of the listing editor. Here, you will see options for adding images and videos. Look for the option to upload a video. Click on the Upload Video button to open a file selection dialog. Ensure that the video file you choose complies with eBay's size and format requirements, as videos that do not meet these criteria cannot be uploaded. After selecting the appropriate video file, it will begin uploading. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the video, this may take some time. Once the upload is complete, a preview of the video will appear. It is important to watch this preview to confirm that the video displays correctly and meets your expectations before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with the video preview, locate the Save button at the bottom of the listing editor. Click on Save to apply the changes you have made. After saving, you will need to publish your listing to make the changes live. Look for the Publish button, which should be prominently displayed, and click it to finalize your listing updates. After publishing, check your listing to confirm that the video is displayed properly. It is advisable to monitor buyer engagement after adding the video, as it may lead to increased interest in your product. If you notice positive changes in engagement, it indicates that the video is serving its purpose effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.